Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this construction themed cake that I created last weekend. I started by making some construction cones using orange fondant. I rolled it into a ball, shaped it into a cone, then I added 2 white straps around it. I placed each cone on a small square fondant base to complete the look. Next, I made some rocks or pebbles or stones, whatever you like to call them. I mixed black and gray fondant together and kneaded it just enough to create a marble effect. For the banner, I used green fondant to make a sign that says ABT Supplies, which is my client's business. ABT Supplies is a company that provides building materials, and their logo colors are green and white, so I use those colors for the banner. I attached 2 lollipop sticks on either side so it could stand upright on the cake. I also made a number 2 sign to celebrate their 2nd business anniversary. Now let's prepare the cake. This is a 7-inch dark chocolate mud cake filled with chocolate Swiss meringue buttercream. So I baked 4 layers, and I used a 12-inch cake board for extra space for the decorations later on. I stacked the layers, filled them, and then I added a thin crumb coat using vanilla buttercream. Then I chilled the cake in the fridge for about 20 to 30 minutes before applying the final layer of grey buttercream. So I chose this grey color to give it a cement-like look. I smoothed it as neatly as I could. Then I added a 2nd thicker layer of buttercream on purpose so that it would resemble poured cement. Especially once you cut into the cake later, you would see that the cement layer is a bit thicker. Here, I made a cutout section of the cake to create the effect that a construction vehicle had dug into it. This was a special request from my client. I used crushed Oreos without the cream filling to resemble the desserts. I think it looks so realistic. So I covered the whole top of the cake with these Oreos. For the final touches, I used real toy construction vehicles, since making them from fondant would have taken me ages. So I placed them on top and around the cake. I added the ABT Supplies banner and a number 2 sign. And I secured everything, including the rocks, with melted chocolate to keep them in place. I sprinkled sprinkled more Oreo dirt around the cake at the bottom of the board. And here it is, a construction themed cake to celebrate the 2nd anniversary of ABT Supplies. Thanks so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time.